In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a box on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. This simple guide is crafted for anyone looking to clean up their Squarespace site by removing unwanted boxes, which could be anything from text boxes to image containers or other elements that are no longer needed. So let's dive right into the steps to make your website look exactly the way you want it to. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where your journey to declutter your website begins. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes managing your website's content straightforward, but it's essential to know exactly where to click to make the changes you desire. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, your next move is to log into your account. To do so, click on the Login button. This should be pretty easy to spot, generally located towards the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to accessing your site's back end, where all the magic happens. For many of us, remembering another password can be a pain. So thankfully, Squarespace provides a solution by allowing you to continue with Google. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This will streamline the login process using your Google account credentials to get you inside your Squarespace dashboard with minimal fuss. Subsequently, click on your account. This should take you to a dashboard where all your Squarespace sites are listed, assuming you have more than one. If you've got several projects going on, make sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion or unnecessary changes to the wrong site. Next, click on your website. This essentially means selecting the specific website you intend to edit from your list of Squarespace sites. Once you've identified and selected the correct site, you're on your way to making the desired changes. Now it's time to start the actual editing process. To do this, you'll need to enter the editing mode. There should be a direct link to edit, or you can usually find the edit mode by navigating to your website's dashboard. It's here that Squarespace allows you to make changes to your site's content and design. Locate the box you wish to remove. Squarespace's edit mode visually represents your site, making it relatively easy to find the elements you want to change or remove. Hover over the area where the box is located, and your cursor should reveal the box by highlighting it or showing a border around it. Now, for the crucial step, removing the unwanted box. Once you've identified the box, you should see an icon that looks like a trash can when you hover over or select the box. This icon is universally recognized as a delete option. Go ahead and click on this trash can icon. A prompt might appear asking for confirmation that you indeed wish to delete this box. Confirming this action will remove the box from your site. Lastly, but just as importantly, remember to click on Save. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a crucial step that's easy to overlook in the editing process. Not saving your changes is akin to doing a bunch of work and then forgetting to submit it. Essentially, it means all your efforts go unnoticed. The Save button is typically located in a prominent spot within your dashboard or edit mode pane. Click it to ensure all the changes you've made, including the removal of that unwanted box, are applied to your live site. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of removing a box on Squarespace, leaving your site looking exactly as you envisioned. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace lies in its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it easy for you to customize your site to match your unique style and preferences. Whether it's tweaking the layout, refining the content, or removing unnecessary elements, Squarespace provides you with the tools to keep your website fresh, engaging, and perfectly aligned with your vision. Remember, keeping your website clutter-free not only enhances its appearance, but can also improve user experience, ensuring visitors can find what they're looking for without unnecessary distractions. So, don't hesitate to experiment and modify your site as needed, and always aim for a clean, professional look that speaks volumes about your brand or personal project. Happy editing!